Hey, it's Toby Renee. Check out my video so you can learn how to create metallic textured walls. Step 1, you want to go ahead and paint your wall with your desired base coat. Next, you want to roll on your metallic paint. Now please make sure that the metallic paint is similar to your base coat. Now it's time to grab your woolly pad. We're going to use the woolly to soften the lines from your roller. This is going to create a beautiful metallic surface for your next step. So we want to go ahead and let this dry. In step 3, we want to take the same metallic paint that we used before, and now we want to add our texture. And believe it or not, I'm using tiny glass beads to create the texture. Now remember, the more glass beads you add, the thicker your texture is going to be. Now we're ready for step 4. Roll your textured metallic paint on the wall, 100% coverage. Now let's grab that texture brush and start creating beautiful metallic waves. Now, I'm using my old linen brush that I had, but you can grab any brush to create the metallic waves. You can use a wallpaper brush, or you can even grab a 4-inch paintbrush. Be super creative. So we're finally finished with our practice sample. Now it's time to do the wall. Doing your wall is just like doing your sample. First, you want to paint your black base coat. Second, you want to do a base coat with just the metallic paint. And third, you want to add your glass beads into your metallic paint and get ready to make your metallic waves. I really love doing this technique because it's the perfect blend of metallic and it adds just a little bit of texture. So if you're looking for a solution to your bar, this texture is easy to create and it's durable. This is perfect for this type of situation. Now here's a great paint tip. Always paint your wall plates. Just be sure to prime them first. All right, let's keep moving right on down the wall. Continue to roll out your textured metallic paint. See how super easy it is? It's fun and quick. Each time you go in with your textured brush, just make sure you create an even S pattern throughout the wall. You do have a little bit of working time, so just make sure you play with your texture, create it, and make sure it looks good before you move on. I really do love how metallic finishes give off a reflective quality. You can create this technique in any color. You can add as much texture as you like, and you can even change up your texture brush. So you guessed it, let's keep going on down the wall. And trust me, this technique is so super easy. You'll be a pro in no time. The key to this technique is staying even and consistent. Once you finish painting your wall, go ahead and pull your tape while the wall is still wet. This will make the cleanup process a lot easier. Okay guys, that's a wrap, and look how beautiful this technique is. All right, so please like and follow for more DIY videos. Thanks.